very warm welcome to Must Know Topics. In this particular series, I'll be taking down various lecturate and GD topics which will be helpful in preparing for various competitive examinations, including Services Selection Board interviews. The topic that I'll be covering today will be World Trade Organization, and this will be the 36th lecturate of the series. I'll be covering this particular topic in 7 subdivisions, that is introduction part, formation of WTO, principles, objectives, issues with India, facts and conclusion. Coming to the introduction, the World Trade Organization is headquartered at Geneva, that is Switzerland, and main purpose is to regulate international trade. It was founded on 1 January 1995 and presently there are 164 member nations. The present leader of World Trade Organization is Roberto Azevedo. Moreover, the formation was in order to resolve the trade disputes. Now coming to the formation, after the World War II, there was a failed attempt to create International Trade Organization which was proposed by Bretton Woods, and out of 56 countries, only 53 countries had signed the pact. Since America did not sign the pact then, this International Trade Organization failed and it was not created. Later on 30 October 1947, General Agreement on Trade and Tariff was signed by 23 nations. And later on in the year 1995, after Uruguay Round Conference, WTO came into existence and it was also known as Marrakesh Agreement. Now there are 3 principles on which the World Trade Organization works, that is reciprocity, most favored nation and national treatment. And this is how they classify the nations, and on the principles. For example, reciprocity means what I do for you, you should do the same for me. This is what is called as reciprocity. The next is most favored nation. Now most favored nation is given for no discrimination. For example, if WTO has regarded a country as most favored nation, and if some other country imposes tariff on that MFN, that is most favored nation country, then the same tariff will be also applicable to other nations as well. This is the treatment given to a most favored nation country. Third is the national treatment. National treatment is like the domestic goods and foreign goods are to be treated equal. For example, domestic goods will be treated as foreign goods, and even the foreign goods will be treated as domestic goods. Coming to the major objectives, as I mentioned earlier, the major objective is to regulate international trade and resolve trade dispute, and apart from that, the main objectives are to help developing countries benefit from global trading. This will improve the economy and the investments, FDIs as well. Moreover, in order to increase the transparency of decision making process. Well, coming to issues with India, there are 2 major issues of WTO, World Trade Organization, with India, that is subsidies and the food stockpiling. Now coming to the food stockpiling, after the Food Security Act was passed, then the government has decided to provide very cheap food to the vulnerable part of the population from the stockpile that it has. And this is the problem with the World Trade Organization. They say that it affects the World Trade Organization, but for a country like India, it is very much important that the nation fights with undernourishment first, and stockpiling is a very good option. Coming to the subsidies, well, in India the government gives subsidies or economic profits on products which are priced high, and according to the World Trade Organization, this affects the trading and they want it to be stopped. For example, the government gives subsidies on electricity, fertilizers and many more. Moreover, there are minimum support prices as well, that is MSP. Now basically, there are 3 boxes with regards to the subsidies. These 3 boxes are decided by the World Trade Organization. For example, some products are kept in amber box, some are kept in blue box, and some are kept in green box. Now what is amber box, what is blue box, and what is green box? Green box means if any particular item has been kept in green box and subsidy is given on that, then the WTO has no issues. If it is blue box, then there are some conditions, and amber means distort production or trade. That is, like for example, amber in the sense MSP. Since in particularly in India we have MSP, minimum support price, and that has been kept under amber box. So these are the issues with World Trade Organization. Well, coming to some important facts, as I mentioned earlier, that in total there are 164 members of World Trade Organization. Now there are some countries which are not the member of World Trade Organization, that are Western Sahara, Somalia, Yemen, North Korea, Eritrea, Turkmenistan, Syria, and many more. So these are neither members or nor observer. Now particularly if we see, then if we conclude this particular topic, well, it is very much important that India establishes a good hold in World Trade Organization, because this will improve the trade of India along India with other countries. Now particularly if we see, then India exports totally of around 314 billion USD as per IMF report, and it imports around 520 billion USD. So there is a great trade deficit going which is actually affecting the self dependency. Now in order to improve the self dependency, the trade has to happen at an international level, and since World Trade Organization is an international organization in which around 164 countries are member, it will be very much helpful for India to make negotiations at ministerial conferences and improve the trade, and this will increase the trade and moreover the economy as well. So particularly, as I mentioned, as per IMF report, there is a negative trade deficit. That means exports and imports are not equal. In order to make the exports and imports equal, we need to increase the export, and that will only happen if we have a good relation at an international level, and this gives an opportunity to India. So I hope this topic would have been useful. In case you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.